So Matthias, this is a turnaround now. So we have a solution manager guy interviewing another solution manager guy. So we have the SAP guy interviewing the guy who writes weblogs. So come on, Matthias, go hard. Give me some really tricky questions.
So if you had 3 wishes,
right,
what solution manager should deliver with the new release, what would they be?
Number 1, I want integration with non-SAP products. So I want Solution Manager to be able to run my total application stack. So I can have a business process go from ERP to the portal, outside to business objects, to .NET, and then back in, and to monitor the whole lot end to end. So for me, to monitor non-SAP would be the number 1. Number 2, I think I would like a management dashboard. So I would like all my KPIs coming up on a single dashboard, and I would like the ability to introduce more KPIs, maybe along the lines of some of the Sugen KPIs. And then if I had number 3, I would like to run the landscape like a factory. So I would like to eliminate duplication, and I would like to have monitoring across the whole factory from end to end. I would like alerting and monitoring across the whole lot, and again remove any duplication that I can find. And if I could have a 4th wish, it would be to do some solution documentation, so maybe some reverse business engineering, so I could actually document my business processes from end to end automatically without having to do any manual work. So Matthias, how much of this can I expect with 7.1?
What really makes a person happy?
I can try to get an answer. I'm Mark. Well, we worked for almost 3 years on the new release, 7.1, which is ramped up just today. We ship it to 30 customers, and we will ship it to another 130 in 4 weeks if everything goes good. The good news is that these wishes that we hear from a lot of customers that you just brought up are really integral parts of our new release. So you can expect a lot of focus on those areas. So the good news is we really listen to the customers with all these wishes, and I think we found good solutions for all of them.
Hey, but I have another question.
Come on.
I mean, today is the day that we ship Solution Manager.
Yep.
You obviously know that. That's why you came here.
Yep.
Okay. So it's really a day in history because we haven't had a release for a long time.
Yep.
But there's one piece, and you have mentioned it. It's the dashboards. They will come out a little later. So that means we have to do a little development. So it's your chance now to tell us, from your perspective, what would you like to see? How should the dashboards work? How should they be configured? What would you expect from them, and how would they, from your perspective, change the way that you work with Solution Manager and how you manage your systems?
Well, if we could have the CIO's perspective in mind, I would expect SAP to open the platform, so to provide the engine for the orchestration, and I would expect some of the partners in the ecosystem to start building the best of breed dashboards. And if possible, if we could share these on the ecosystem or on the code share, this would be absolutely awesome. So you could go onto SDN and download the best dashboards from a list, and maybe if we use the SDN mentality for the ecosystem, we could award a lot of points for the best dashboard, and you would get the kudos. So the guy who gets the most downloaded dashboard, I think you should get an SAP badge or something. What do you think? Maybe a backpack?
So Mark, you being here the major guy from Lifecycle Management, will that be feasible given the short period of time that the development systems are open?
Matthias, I think it's a great idea.
Okay. So one maybe final question. As I said, we are so proud that we're delivering Solution Manager today. So this is really a great day in Solution Manager history. And we have released a wonderful video, in which a lot of customers from various angles of the world are talking about their positive experiences. Have you watched the video?
It's on my to-do list. As you know, I flew 23 hours to get here, Matthias. So I flew 10,000 miles. So jet lag has kicked my butt a little bit today, but tomorrow at 12:55 in the shop floor, I'm going to be at the front and I'm going to be watching the customers speaking about their experience, their positive experience with Solution Manager.
That's very good, because this video, this version was made specifically for this show, because we will be able to reuse the video, but maybe not in this format. So again, this is a once-in-a-lifetime event, so you have to watch it tomorrow. You have to promise.
Scouts on it.
Okay. So thank you very much. This was a lot of fun.
Thanks, Matthias.
Thank you very much. So enjoy the rest of the show.
So let's get Matthias to say hello. Matthias, thank you so much.
Hey, hello everybody in Australia.
And my bestest friend in the whole world, Andrea, for arranging this. Thank you so much, Andrea. This has been live from SAPPHIRE Now.